the board doesn't move and the USB port slides right out. You'd think this tool cost 20 bucks. It actually cost nothing. I made from a phone box, a bottle cap and a wooden peg. But stick around because I will show you a mysterious object before the end of this video. First, we have a problem. I need to cut a bottle, but I don't have a right tool. Take a standard box cutter, remove the razor, slide in a hacksaw blade. It fits perfectly. We just made a heavy-duty cutting tool in 10 seconds. Gently cut the top of this plastic bottle. Watch out, that edge is sharp and uneven. Glue won't hold on jagged glass. Sand it down flat. This flat surface is the secret to a strong bond later. For the base, don't use wood that slides around. Use a foam box. It has a hidden benefit. Open it up. It's built-in storage. Soldering iron and wires keep your workspace clean and your work faster. Here is the critical moment. Apply hot glue to the bottle cap. Don't be stingy. Stick it firmly to the box. It's built. Now we test. Clamp in the charger board. Apply the heat. It works flawlessly, simple, effective and free. Stop struggling with expensive tools. Build this today and subscribe for more fixes that save you money.